Hello, today we will guide you through how to transfer credit from one customer to another customer in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll move an existing credit from one customer and make it available to another using a simple journal entry and then applying it to the destination customer's invoice. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the main dashboard, go to the Create or New menu at the top left. From the list of options, open Journal Entry. This is where we'll reclassify the credit between customers without affecting income or cash. On the first journal line, set the account field to accounts receivable. In the debits column, enter the exact amount of the credit you want to transfer. Use the description field to note why you're moving the credit, such as transfer customer credit. In the name field on this same line, pick the customer who currently holds the credit, so QuickBooks tags this line to that customer's AR. On the second journal line, again choose accounts receivable for the account. Enter the same amount in the credits column so the entry balances to 0. In the name field on this line, select the customer who should receive the credit. If you use location, class, or business tracking, choose the appropriate option to keep your reporting clean. Make sure the journal date matches the period you want the transfer to appear in, and add a memo for future reference. When everything looks correct and the debits equal the credits, save the journal entry. Next, we'll apply the transferred amount to the destination customer's open invoice. Return to the Create or New menu and choose Receive Payment. In the Customer field, select the customer who is receiving the credit. QuickBooks will show their open transactions. Choose the invoice you want to apply the credit to. You should also see the journal entry listed as an available credit on this customer's account. Ensure the total payment applied equals the invoice balance after the credit. When you're confident the match is correct, click Record to finalize. That's it. You've moved the credit from one customer to another and applied it where needed. A few tips as you finish up. Double check the journal entry date and amounts. Keep clear descriptions so future you or your accountant knows what happened. And confirm customer balances look right on the customer list or statement. If your organization uses classes, locations, or custom fields, keep them consistent on both journal lines for accurate reporting.